Question 35 on stoichiometry. How many moles of hydrogen ions are present in a solution containing 3 moles of H2SO4? How many moles of hydrogen ions are there? How do we know? We would know by writing it out. So H2SO4, this is sulfuric acid. It should contain hydrogen ions, right? It should. To be specific, 1 mole of H2SO4 would produce 2 moles of hydrogen ion and 1 mole of the sulfate anion when it dissociates in water. How many moles of hydrogen ions? This one here. From 3 moles of H2SO4. Proportion, right? Guys, it's proportion again. Like, stoichiometry has a lot of proportion. Okay, it should be like another name for it. Proportion. Stoichiometry, aka proportion. So 1 mole of H2SO4 would produce 2 moles of H plus. That's just what that balanced equation is telling us. Therefore, 3 moles of H2SO4. That is a very funny way of writing H2SO4. Let us write this way. 3 moles of H2SO4 would give X. And that would mean that X will be equal to 3 times 2 over 1. Okay, that's like in descending order there. 6 moles of H plus. And that's the answer to the question, guys. I will see you on question number 36. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube. If you're seeing it on Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, everywhere, just click on follow, alright? So that you'll be able to see question number 36, which is actually a very interesting question you will not want to miss, okay? So make sure you're following this page. Alright, I shall see you guys on the next question number 36. Well, if this was very interesting to you, let me know in the comments, okay? Bye-bye.